Today we're showing you a 2010 Case International Farmall 70 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has a Case IH L730 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 800 hours. It is exceptionally clean. Tractor starts, runs, and works as it should. Also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. This tractor's been taken care of. The paint is in excellent condition. It's obvious to see that the tractor has been stored inside. A couple small scuffs in the loader here, very minor. It's got the global style bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. Tires are good, front and back. It's got the mid valve block here for your loader hose connections. 16/9/30 rear tires are in excellent condition. Foldable rollover bar, warning lights and work light back here. Dual rear hydraulics, has 540 PTO. Drawbar is here, top link is here. Telescopic 3-point arms, barely show any wear. It's got the stabilizer bars on both sides. This tractor also is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Again, a couple scuffs here in the loader, but overall excellent tractor in exceptionally clean condition. Complete flat deck platform, full suspension seat, tilt steering wheel, mechanical shuttle here to the left of the seat for your forward reverse. You do have to clutch to shift from forward to reverse, but it is synchronized, so you can do that while the tractor is rolling. Has a PTO engagement, park brake, and four-wheel drive engagement also here to the left of the seat. To the right, you've got your two main transmission sticks. You got 3 ranges in the tractor, 4 synchronized gears up here, give you a total of 12 speeds. 3-point and hydraulic controls to the right. Also have a quick up down here for your 3-point. Loader joystick is also right there within easy reach. And as you can see, the tractor is in excellent condition. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.